Hello, this is cjhoyle. Today is Sunday, February the 5th, 2023, and today I'm here at lock number 20, Ashburnham, on the Trent Severn Waterway, which is a place where I visited in the summer and paddled through in a canoe. But as you can see right now, it is the month of February and that canal is all iced up. And in this video, I'm going to be skating this section of the canal from here at lock 20, back up that way to lock 19. So this first little section of the canal has not been plowed, but the majority of it has been cleared of snow. I guess the city of Peterborough uses some snow plowing equipment that they bring down here and clear it every time that it snows. Now the temperature right now is about +5 Celsius and the ice conditions are not really ideal. They're quite soft right now, so I can feel my skates kind of digging in. We're just about to go underneath of a swing bridge here. This is the bridge for a street called Maria Street, and you can see that under the bridge the ice is kind of a different color and there's kind of some water that's dripping down. That is because I believe there are road salts and sand that's put on that bridge, so that stuff eventually finds its way down to ice level, so that's not a great place to skate, but the rest of it is pretty good, although like I said, things today are quite soft, so can't quite go as fast as I would like, but perhaps it'll make better conditions for a video. Really quite mild, a nice day to be outdoors, and it's good to see lots of people taking advantage of this. So this section of the canal that they transform here in the city of Peterborough for skating is about 700 or 800 meters long. Oh, and this rail bridge here is for a line of the CP rail, the Canadian Pacific rail line. I believe that's the only railway that still goes through the city of Peterborough, although they only send a couple of trains per week through here, from what I understand. So the lock that we're heading towards, which is lock number 19, is the largest lock on the canal. It is lock number 19, the Peterborough Lift Lock, which is one of two hydraulic lift locks here on the system. The other one is in Kirkfield. So it's really interesting getting to skate this section, having only ever traveled along here before in a canoe. That was back during my solo canoeing adventure on the Trent Severn Waterway back at the end of the summer of 2020. You can really feel my skates digging in here. This part seems to be probably the worst conditions of the whole canal for skating, but I imagine this morning it would have been a lot better, or earlier this morning at least, because it was quite cold the last 2 days, down to the -20 sort of range in the degrees Celsius. So coming into view up ahead, you can see the big tower of the Peterborough Lift Lock, which basically operates by having these two giant bathtub-like things that fill with water, and they're connected together by hydraulic cylinders, and by filling one and emptying water from the other, they can kind of exchange the weight and sort of act as a counterbalance to one another. But of course, in the winter, that's all shut down, so no boats that are going to be traveling through there today, and both the tubs are actually in the downward position at this time. And as you can see, there's a rope here and we can't skate any further, but anyway, I hope you've enjoyed joining me on this little skating adventure here today in the city of Peterborough. If you watched all the way to the end of this video, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.